The wise in his heart shall be called prudent, and the sweetness of the lips increased learning. Proverbs chapter 16, verses 21. Hello family, a very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. I'm so excited to come your way today. Delicious and very authentic Ghanaian chop bar style beef light soup. I know you've been wondering and pondering over the fact that the chop bar light soup, especially the beef part, always tastes a lot more different than the ones you make at home. Here is the tips that I'm going to share. I am going to spill all the tea. It is absolutely incredible recipe that I need you to save for your next beef light soup. You are going to love it. I've made tons of light soup recipes here, but this one is absolutely different that I want you to stay tuned, okay? Before we even start, I want you to go ahead and give me a thumbs up before the game starts. Stay tuned and let's enjoy this recipe. These are the very few ingredients you will need for your chop bar style light soup. Please watch the ingredients carefully. It's been listed below as well. So let's begin by blending some onions, some ginger. Do not peel off the skin. Just allow it to be like that. It's a lot of ginger here. 3 cloves of garlic and some 1 habanero pepper. I chose the green one because it has a very distinctive aroma to it, which I absolutely love. So you want to go ahead and blend it until they are nice and smooth. Let's begin by steaming our meat. For the meat, I chose the part that is a little bit bony and also the part with the veins, aka intinin. Yes, that's what I'm going for. So I used about 2.5 kilos of it, and to that I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of my all-purpose natural spice blend. I am going to kindly link it here so you get that at your own convenience. I'm going to now add my blended ingredients and some salt to taste. You want to add enough salt right from the beginning. Now, gently stir everything together and allow this to steam for about 15 minutes, okay? Please try to make it steam on a low to medium heat. So on the other side, I am going to go ahead and prep for all my vegetables. So for my vegetables, I'm using a mini size of my eggplant, and I also have 1 large yellow onion, 2 fresh tomatoes, 1 habanero pepper. Remember, we already have some habanero pepper in there, okay? And I'm going to also cut my mushrooms in here. It is very important to take this step very seriously, okay? I am going to also rinse my blender and use that water to boil my vegetables for about 10 minutes, just so that it becomes nice and soft. And also we will need that liquid that we boiled the vegetables with. So it's very important to add enough water while boiling your vegetables, okay? So here is my meat. It's absolutely looking fabulous. As you can see, I'm giving it an extra 5 minutes while I go ahead and check on my vegetables. They're nice and soft and they're already cooked. So what I'm going to do here is go ahead and stir my meat for the second time, and I'm going to add my tomato paste. At this point, I use 2 tablespoons of tomato paste in here. Just go ahead and add that and stir very well together, making sure the tomato paste is very well distributed on each and every meat that we have here. Now, this is how you're going to build that flavor for the most delicious chop bar style beef light soup. This style is just amazing. Remember, the habanero pepper in here is doing an amazing job, and you can actually feel it right here, plus the ginger and everything. It's absolutely delicious, and the aromas coming through are on point, and I absolutely love it. So after steaming it for an extra 5 minutes, I will then go ahead and add the liquid that I boiled my vegetables with. This contains a lot of goodies, okay? So you don't want to throw them away. Just go ahead and add just the liquid. Stir gently once again and allow it to just simmer for another 5 minutes while you go ahead and blend all your vegetables. The aroma is amazing. I've made tons of light soup, but this particular one, you have to really take good note of it. It's absolutely incredible. The next step is actually going to blow your mind. So here, the vegetables came a little bit hot, so I added a bit of cold water just so that I could be able to peel off the eggplant, the skin of the eggplant, because we do not want it in there. Okay, so once I'm done, I'll go ahead and add my tomatoes, my onions, pepper, and then mushrooms. Yes, I'm adding the mushrooms right here. This is the trick that the chop bar people have been hiding from us. Blending your mushroom in your light soup is completely insanely delicious. Mushroom has a very distinctive aroma and flavor. Once you blend it into your soup, it just takes it to a whole different level. It has this earthy, meaty aroma that you want to have in your beef or your goat meat live soup. It is just incredible. This is what the chop bar owners have been hiding, so now I have released it. Okay, so go ahead and try it and you are going to absolutely love it. Mushrooms I used here are the champignons, but you can definitely use any type of mushroom that you prefer, especially the oysters. They are packed with lots of amazing flavors in there. It's just amazing. It's going to taste your light soup to the whole different level. And after this, you're going to say bye-bye to all the chop bar owners, because you are having chop bar right at the comfort of your home, fam. This is amazing. Stir everything to combine and now allow the soup to continuously boil for an extra 7 to 8 minutes and you should be done. Go ahead, add extra peppers to anyone who want extra heat in their mouth, and you will love this a lot. Oh my goodness, the aromas, I can smell the ginger. The habanero pepper has special distinctive aroma, which I absolutely love in my soup. I also love the aroma of everything, especially the mushrooms. You can actually feel that earthy, meaty flavors. Everything is so on point. There you have it, family. When you get this type of soup, what do you think you're going to pair this with? For me, it is an absolutely no long talk. Definitely fufu is for the win. So we had it with some delicious soft and lump-free plantain fufu, and you can definitely pair with any swallow of your choice. All right, so there you have it, family. Thank you so much for watching. We had an absolutely beautiful Sunday here, and I hope that you have taken this recipe very seriously. You have to save it for your next live soup. Okay, you're going to absolutely enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching right to the end. I really hope you've learned a thing or two. It's always my heart desire that you do so. And if you did, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and also if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to gear you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again. And as always, know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. I will see you in my next one. Have a blessed day.